beauty. This is a waterfall on the inside of the building. Coming down the side of the building. It's just spectacular. This is all within the inside of Okada. It's beautiful. I guess this piece is off limits, or
take pictures.
there always some renovation going on here, I understand, so I'm not sure what's going on in this particular area. There's a security tape, so we won't be going in there for now. But this place is just unbelievable. I mean, it's comparable to anything I've seen in Las Vegas, to be honest. So we're just walking up and down, getting some exercise and getting some steps in and seeing all of the beautiful sceneries. And today is Valentine's Day here in Philippines, and it's quite a do going on at Okada. Lots of activities, which we will be partaking in here in a little bit. We're going for dinner now. We're just looking to decide which restaurant we'll be dining at. Alright guys, that's my new video for the day. But I also wanted to highlight this area here where they got flowers for sale. Oh man, this thing, such a beautiful arrangement. And these are all real flowers. This is where Jen's flowers were all put together and delivered to the room from this area. Beautiful.